We got switchers on the line. They're moving. Looks like they're taking one of the cars and then coupling to them. We're dropping them off. One of the two.
Oh, we got a green BNSF.
That's not a BNSF. That's a Burlington Northern.
Mm-hmm.
But the other one is. They're probably gonna reverse. Oh. Probably shouldn't film that guy.
He's switching tracks, huh?
Yep.
Looking hard.
Yep, they certainly are. They certainly are. See his light on the top?
I'm just gonna pull over and park.
Oh, there they go, backing up.
You can get out if you want.
You sure? Yeah, might as well.
You've got a good spot too. You can stay in the red for it.
Alright. Now wait a minute, I hear an interesting sound. Looks like they coupled. What are you doing? Oh, they're going to reverse, okay. I'm just visiting here. There goes the crossing. Well, that's nice. Alright. A high-speed intermodal train on the line already. Here they are. A little EMD pulling power in the rear a little bit. Well, technically not an intermodal. Okay, it is. Why am I thinking ahead? Okay, that's gonna be it. We're just outside of Abundon, heading towards Detroit Lakes, and we got a train coming our way. Look to your left. Shh. What's this? An engine on the end? Oh yeah. Well, that's the train. That's gonna be it.